Hi guys, Funky Kev, and this is a quick unboxing video of my new X-Ray XB8E 1/8 scale off-road buggy. So, here's the box. There it is. So this is going to be my first ever build of a car, and I'm hoping to do a few videos of it being built. So everything's all in your bags. So this is quite a bit of a kind of a nerve-wracking thing because I've never actually built one before, and it's all new. So you got everything all in there, all parts. You get your grease, your oil, everything to actually do it, which is all good with any luck. So I'm going to be trying to do some videos, and I think I found the best thing to do is like build a diff, and then once I know how to do one, record me doing the others so you can see. And here's the book, which is good. I mean, it tells you all your tools here to do what you need, and then it tells you more or less what bag there, and just tells you everything. It even tells you what weight the diff will be and what weight it will be once you put your oil in, so you fill it up to 41. So this is it. It's going to be a bit of an adventure, but I'm going to have a go at building it. Well, I've got to do it because I bought it, and this come out today, so it's going to be fun. So stay tuned for some more videos of me actually building it, and we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and leave a comment, and I will see you all next time.